Welcome to Rebuilding the Infrastructure of Campus Dialogue. This video explores evidence-based organizational strategies for higher education in a polarized era, providing a strategic blueprint for institutional culture change. Societal polarization and declining institutional trust create an existential mandate for higher education. Universities are struggling to model the pluralism they are charged with developing in tomorrow's democratic and civic leaders. A fractured campus has invisible costs that cascade across operations, reputation, and student development. These include significant operational disruptions, reputational and mission risk, impacts on student well-being, and compromised career readiness. Constructive dialogue is a rigorous epistemic and social function, not just mere civility. True dialogue requires three precise mechanisms: listening for values, asking genuine questions, and inviting personal narratives. Promising initiatives often fail without a coherent theory of organizational change. Isolated interventions like episodic workshops contrast sharply with a systemic transformation model focused on continuous, embedded integration and proactive capacity building. Our five-pillar institutional change model is built on a foundation of core values. The pillars include leadership commitment, curriculum and pedagogy, co-curricular experience, policies and structures, and measurement and learning. Pillar 1, leadership and messaging, embeds dialogue as core to the academic purpose. Pillar 4, structural integration, aligns administrative structures so dialogue becomes an expectation rather than an optional enrichment, ensuring sustained attention. Equipping faculty and staff creates an institutional multiplier effect. Training leads to immediate impact, with 99% reporting better understanding and 86% feeling prepared to manage difficult situations. Sustained application remains high 10 months post-training. Reaching the student body at scale requires active learning digital infrastructure. The Perspectives platform can scale to over 190,000 learners, with students reporting valuable skills and increased confidence in communicating across differences. Strategic partnerships drive network effects and cross-institutional capacity. Examples include system-level scale with CUNY, sector-specific tailoring with ACCU, and state-level policy work with SCHEV to create coordinated dialogue infrastructure. Dialogue serves as critical professional practice in high-stakes fields. The Kern National Network, for instance, embeds dialogue frameworks into medical school curricula to manage ethical disagreements and patient communication. Operationalizing the model involves a phased roadmap for institutional implementation. This includes Phase 1 diagnostic assessment, Phase 2 strategic road mapping, and Phase 3 sustained support, moving away from one-time consultation. We are leveraging AI for personalized deliberate practice at scale. The AI coach simulates challenging dialogue scenarios in a low-stakes environment, providing immediate feedback. Safeguards ensure human-centered design and algorithmic transparency. Sustaining culture change requires continuous professional learning communities. This includes peer exchange forums for sharing successes, collaborative problem solving for systemic hurdles, and accountability structures to maintain positive pressure. The ultimate return on investment is durable institutional resilience. Leadership commitment, embedded curriculum, and structural alignment lead to systemic cultural transformation. This investment far outweighs the cost of a degraded campus climate.